10mm socket and ratchet, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove our battery terminals. Now loosen our oil cap, remove this. Let's go ahead and pop off our engine cover here. Reinstall our oil fill cap and set the cover aside. We're going to use a pick and we're going to open up our plug wire retainer clips here. Go ahead and grab your ignition wire, grab the boot, go ahead and twist that a little bit. Now if it doesn't want to come off, if you happen to have a pair of spark plug wire pliers, go ahead and use these here. Reach right down inside, grab that, twist it off and pop it. Good, remove this wire. Follow it back to the ignition coil, pop off that wire, go ahead and put that aside. I'm going to go ahead and match up which wire you have. You take the original one, line it up with the bundle, follow it down and grab one of the wires that is the same length. And go ahead and pull that out from the bundle. And take your boot here for your spark plug, and we're going to put a little bit of dielectric grease right on the inside of that tip there. Line that up with your spark plug, press it in, and you'll feel that snap onto your spark plug. Now go ahead and follow the route of your other spark plug wires. Run that over and snap that onto your ignition coil. Press it on and you'll hear a little click. Repeat for the other 5. Go ahead and run your wires into your retainer here. Go ahead and pop that on there. You want to reach down and grab your ignition wire by the boot itself. Give it a little bit of a twist, pop that off. Bring the end of the boot out, take your heat shield, you're going to slide this right over the outside. Once that's pressed in, you're going to see the boot come out on the bottom side. Line that back up with your spark plug and just press it on until you feel the boot snap on. We'll continue with the other 2 here. Now our particular car didn't have the shields on there. They're probably removed at one time. Now that we have these 3 done, go ahead and repeat for the other side. Just going to install our ground terminal here. Bring our positive terminal over. We'll go ahead and snug down our terminal here. I'm going to check these terminals, make sure they're nice and tight. And Place our boot back on the top here. Pop off our oil fill here.